What's up guys? So in this video I'm gonna show you how I installed my puddle lights on the Model 3, and I got these from Amazon for $20 for 2-pack, so $40 for all four, and it's a little bit dimmer than the ones from Abstract Ocean, but over there it's like 45 for two, so 90 for four. So if you're trying to save $50, you can get the ones from Amazon like I did. They're really, there's a big difference, honestly. But these will do for me for now. Maybe later, if I have more money, I'll buy the ones from Abstract Ocean. But for now, I'm going to use these. And I'm going to show you how to install them because they're a little bit trickier to install than the other ones. So yeah, let's get into it. We gotta use this wire, I guess, to put it inside of this light. Like so. There are two pins inside, similar to this, and you just plug it in and then use these for the door. Basically I'm gonna do that for all of them. I couldn't figure it out how to make it work, but I guess now I did. I already installed the doors, the driver's side one, so I have 3 left to do, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. It's pretty simple. Just need to get these things to go inside. Let's see here. I think there's a proper side to all of them, because I just tried one and it didn't work. It didn't like go all the way. So if you can see, this one is like fully solid, and here it has like a few holes, so this side up, and this solid one should be bottom, so like that. And you just plug it into these pins. So they have left side and the right side one, so I'm doing the left side passenger side, left side back door. Yeah, so what you're gonna do is just use a screwdriver and pry it out. It's very easy. I don't think you have to show that. On the left side, it's both of them are on the thing to hook from. For the light is on the right side. As you can see, this is the whole light, and you see this little thing. It's on the right side here, and on the other side is gonna be on the left. So just pry that with a screwdriver, and now I don't know if you see it, but there's this thing here, and this is the light, and the camera is sliding. God damn it. Okay, so you just take this basically and plug it in here, and it should work. As you can see, it says Tesla. It's very hard to see because it's still morning, but yeah, you can see it. So just put everything in, and you can just push it inside, and that's it. It's installed. That simple. Let's go to the other side. Okay, same here on this side. Just gonna first pry the light out. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys how to actually disconnect the light itself. So if you see the light right here, it's sticking out. And see, it doesn't come out more, but this wire here, it's like it clipped in here. To take it out, you can just pull it out. there's a clip inside this one. You have to push down on it, and then you can like push the light forward and it's gonna come off. That simple. And now I just take these two and insert it, and here as you can see the light works again, except it's a little weird. Maybe I could have, actually no, it's fine. I just needed to twist it. And you just push it inside, and at nighttime it will be way better. I'm doing this while double work, so that's not cool, but whatever. There's cleaning on the right side of me, so I can't really stop there. I'm just quickly gonna push on the clip that I showed you guys, pull it out, and get the light, plug it in. I'll just push everything inside and I'm done. God dang, I'm stuck. Oh, it's not going in because of the wires. The wires are blocking the way. It's cool. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment. And see you in the next one. Peace.